Guys, just a really quick video today to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free in 2024. This method is super easy, uses a redeemable Spotify gift card code, and you can apply it and it's going to give you an account balance you can purchase premium with. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Spotify website and apply this premium code. There's a couple of options, so yeah, let's get into how you can get your free Spotify Premium. Enjoy, guys. Okay guys, so let's show you how you can get your free Spotify Premium subscription in 2024. You need to use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser and go to www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell it like this, guys, Top Dog Codes, and this is free coupons and game codes. Now, go to the search bar at the top of Top Dog Codes, search for Spotify, and this is going to pop up in a second. There we go, Spotify Premium Codes. So this is the page you'll need to navigate your way to. And you can see you can get a free 6 months Spotify Premium subscription for 100% free. This has been rated tons of times. There's also a gift card there if you wish. So basically, guys, you've got to click on Show Coupon, and you can see this pops up here. It gives us the start of our Spotify Premium subscription code. This is a code that you can redeem within the Spotify app or on the website, and it's going to credit you the subscription. So you need to unlock the remainder of the code. These are pretty valuable codes, so this just prevents someone from stealing them all. So I've already got premium, so I'm not going to do it. But basically, guys, you need to tap unlock code, and then when this reaches 100%, there's going to be a new screen pop up, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your premium code. It only takes a few minutes. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and yeah, that's going to get you a 6 month Spotify Premium. So how much is Spotify Premium? Let's just check how much this is actually going to save you. So Spotify Premium, let's have a look. How much is it? Tell me the price, guys. Come on. Where's shopping? No, can't even find the price. Okay, there we go. $5.99 a month. So that's around $8. So 6 months, 6 times 8. Whatever that is, 42, whatever it is, guys. My maths is not the best. So basically, guys, yeah, you've got to go to topdogcodes.com, search for the Spotify Premium page, and get a 6 month Spotify Premium subscription code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time.